It's the season 25 of Fashion Forte here at the Crown Plaza Galleria, Manila. And we have a stunning model all the way from Pampanga. Hi, may I have your name?
Trace.
Tracy from Pampanga. Tracy, you're 19 years old. So, kailan ka nag-start sa pagmamodelo?
This year lang.
Talaga? So, gusto mo ba to or may nag-push sa'yo para gawin itong mga bagay na?
Ever since I was a kid, I've always dreamed of being a model.
Talaga. So, talagang kahit sa bahay nyo, sa salamin, nagrarampa-rampa ka to.
Yes, habang naliligo po.
Habang naliligo, iniisip mo rin that you're a model. Okay. So, at your age, sabi mo ngayon ka pa lang sa Sabak, no? What makes you decide na you go for it?
From a movie quote, I will not accept a life I do not deserve. Sabi po.
So, yun yung nag-push sa'yo na gawin na to.
Yun.
Okay. So, marami rin mga, katulad mo, nung una, medyo nahihiyang sumabak. Pero ano yung mensahe mo sa kanila para you go for this kind of industry?
Face your fears and always do what you can to achieve your dreams.
And that's what you are doing right now. You're facing your fear para ma-achieve mo talaga lahat ng gusto mo. Pero ano yung ultimate dream na gusto mo talaga?
And being an actress.
Talaga? Gusto mo maging artista talaga? Ano? Drama actress, comedy, or what? Or talaga? Baka naman takutin mo kami dito. Okay. So mamaya you will be showcasing Matos Creation?
Satin is life.
Satin is life. Okay. So, ano yung pakiramdam na andito ka na ngayon? Alam mo ba na dito sa Fashion Forte, maraming mga nakukuhang modelo sa iba't ibang mga brands?
I feel happy po and thrilled.
Ayan. So, your message sa mga taong gusto mong pasalamatan?
Thank you to Blackpink Jennie. She's my inspiration in life. And thank you to my family and friends for being supportive.
And congratulations for your first runway here at Fashion Forte.
Thank you.
And that's it from us here at the Fashion Forte Season 25.